Here I have Samsung Galaxy A04s, and today I'm going to show you how to enter test mode on this device. So firstly you have to open keypad and enter the secret code, which is *O**#, and this is the code which displays, like, in this menu you can test features of your device, like you can test how the screen displays colors, you can test its vibration, you can test speaker, you can test camera, I guess. What's this? Black. Okay. So you can test front camera. Nice. And else what you can see in this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.